good morning. Today is the beginning of this new course, as you see from this momentum transfer in process engineering, right. So, now the question comes, why should you learn it? That is the fundamental question. Then why should you learn it, and what you gain by learning, and if you do not learn it, what you lose, that should be clear to you in the beginning. Now, we said momentum transfer as well as process engineering, right. So, one side is momentum, and you know basically there are in engineering three transfer processes. One is momentum transfer, one is heat transfer, and the third is mass transfer. These three are major transfer process in any process industry, be it chemical, be it mechanical, be it agricultural, be it food, be it anywhere, right. These are the three major transfer process. Now, momentum is associated with the fluid. Now, all of us are associated with fluid right from the day we are born, or even earlier to that. When a child or a baby is in the womb of a mother, then how the food is transferred to the child or baby? Through the blood circulation of the baby. So, there in the blood circulation, all the energy etc., are also being carried out from the mother to the baby in the womb. There also it is the fluid which is transferring. Now, fluid means we will come in detail, of course, when subsequent classes are there. When fluid means it is which is flowable. The one which is flowable is called a fluid, right. So, anything which is flowable is a fluid. Example, the best example, we are in the ocean of the fluid of air. Air is a fluid, right. Water is a fluid, another ocean, right. Water is another fluid. So, these fluids are there, and we are handling it with every now and then. We gave the example of the birth of the baby, or in the womb of the mother, the child. Now, after the child is born, then he or she is fed with milk, right, basically for couple of months with the mother's milk, and then the processed milk or cow milk or whatever is available. So, this milk is also coming, that is the memory secretion from the mammary gland, right. So, there this secretion whenever is coming, and after that for keeping some more time, in most of the cases you have seen that this milk in the summer, typically when it is very hot summer, somewhere in some places it is 45-50 degree, you cannot keep milk for more than couple of hours outside. So, you need to treat the milk, so that you can keep it for couple of hours or couple of days. So, that subsequently will come to know that this is known as pasteurization or sterilization. So, when you are doing that during that process, this is momentum transfer is also one of, that is the flow of the fluid is one of the important aspect which you have to handle, along with obviously along with many others, like as we said heat transfer, mass transfer, they are also associated, right. All in combination are there, but fluid flow is also there, because that milk is a fluid which is flowing from the one place to the other. In the processing unit, there are several units of processing units. So, there it is flowing, and you must know what is the characteristic, what is the flow behavior of this fluid, what is the momentum which is getting transferred, what is the shear stress in the fluid, what is the velocity profile of the fluid, all these you must know, right. So, this is why if you, and I am not saying that this is the first time you have come across with this word. Hopefully, in nowadays the syllabi which are in higher secondary or even the first year of the undergraduate, they are all in many cases, some of them are also covered or touched upon, right. So, we must know that this touching means they have shown a little importance of those things. The moment we are doing this, the analysis which we are making, we should be able to analyze the fluid flow for the benefit of your process, for the benefit of your understanding, for the benefit of your application. So, where you are applying which relation for what purpose, that if you know, then you can say yes, I have come across the knowledge of fluid flow and I can implement this knowledge to the industries or associated places. Even for your, if you do research, further research, there also whenever you are doing higher studies, there also you need this thing very intermittently, and as and when you are handling, so this may be required. So, it implies that this fluid flow or mechanics of the fluid is very important, be it chemical industry, be it cryogenic industry, be it food industry, be it agricultural engineering, be it mining, metallurgy, wherever, right. So, this we must know, and that is why we are offering this course, so that you can claim, you can tell that yes, I know the fluid mechanics, fluid properties, fluid behavior, this I know. Okay? Thank you.